Did you watch the video already?
What video?
The video about
As time passes by, indigenous art is gradually disappearing as a result of modernization and globalization, which led to some people not being aware of what indigenous art is and why it is crucial to conserve and learn about it. Indigenous art is made by native indigenous people to serve as a vehicle for cultural expression and the preservation and transmission of one's culture. But as a result of modernization and globalization, our indigenous art is gradually disappearing.
Wait, what?
what can we do now?
Ways to preserve and protect indigenous arts. Number 1.
The use of modernization or social media platform to globalize indigenous art. We recognize that modernization has had a bad impact on our indigenous art. But we also believe that modernization provides a good platform for globalizing indigenous art. We can be creative in how we distribute ideas and information by using infographics, posters, short videos, and images that we can share on our social media platform for others to see.
Number 2.
As a student, we should also listen and appreciate what our teachers are teaching by simply paying attention to our teacher while he discusses indigenous art. We, as students, may stop modernization. Reading it isn't enough. We must internalize it and utilize the lesson so that when we are educated enough, we will understand the value of indigenous art and be able to share it with other people.
Number 3.
Support non-profit or voluntary groups that assist in the promotion and preservation of indigenous art. There is plenty of organization that is non-profit and voluntary that helps preserve indigenous art. An example of it is the Katara Filipino Indigenous Art Collective Society, that mandate to conduct of performances and workshops that showcase Filipino Mindanaoan indigenous arts, culture, and history. As students, we have the opportunity to volunteer with a non-profit that assists in preserving and protecting indigenous artworks.
There are limits to what students can do to save indigenous art from modernization and globalization. Indigenous art represents a particular culture and set of beliefs held by people who create or perform it. Indigenous art is a part of our history and therefore must be protected and conserved. Indigenous art is the craft of people, the reflection of our souls, and the outcome of our traditions.